Good afternoon, Jill. Welcome to Skydive DeLand. How are you?
I'm good.
What's going on? What's this harness for? What are we doing today? We're going skydiving. You seem super excited about it.
Super excited.
Any special reason for this today? You just feeling kind of crazy?
Just feeling crazy.
Feeling crazy. Who'd you bring with you?
Sarah and Skydive.
How's Sarah doing? How you doing, girl?
Hi.
How you feeling?
I'm so fucking nervous.
That's the proper answer. There's some honesty.
Everything's fine.
Very important question. Out of the three of you, who's gonna scream louder?
Me.
Oh, you threw yourself under the bus. So,
I'm gonna take my shoes off.
whose idea was this?
Hers.
It was your idea. Awesome. Well, she's going with us. It's a good sign. You want to say hi to anybody who don't watch the video? Mom, dad, friends,
everybody.
family, pets.
Mama, my cat Jack. Love you. Mom.
Let's go skydive, girl. Give me a high five.
Yes.
I'll see you in the plane.
Do it.
favorite part? And there's a lot to choose from.
That plane, the jump out of a plane.
Right as we exited. You were awesome, girl. Thanks for bringing Nathan back to Earth.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming to Skydive DeLand. We'll see you next time.